How to change first day of week to Sunday, Monday, or Saturday on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down. Then in here, tap on Language and Region. Next, go down and tap on first day of week. Now in here, you can choose between Sunday, Monday, Saturday, or any other days. And that's it. So I will select Sunday. After that, tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.